She was like, which kind of shop? At 8 years, he has a shop. Which kind of shop? And the father said, he has a shop selling sugar. Like selling sugar. Which kind of sugar? And he says he has jiggers. Literally, he has jiggers. Remember, jiggers sometimes look like, sugar substance crystals. So the father was joking in my issue, in my casing, and I'm selling jiggers. So one day mommy came and said, give me my son, let me take him away. He said, no, I'm not giving to you. Leave all your clothes here, and the rest are going to eat. But I'm not leaving until you leave and go back. My father was a leader by then, so if you insist, he said he would arrest you, but if you insisted. Now the way to Buwenda, there were two routes. By how you pass by Chabakuza. If you had no car coming from Masaka, you would pass by another route to Buwenda. Sometimes you have to use that new route without the car. But that time when mommy came that day, she purposed to take me away. And my dad also purposed that she was not taking me away. So she bade farewell, saying, you have refused, I leave now. So we escorted her. So she began the journey. And she had briefed me that we were going to go. But my father said, no, he's not going anywhere. We escorted her. My father said, you must leave without my son. I paid farewell to my mother. She left. But then she told the person who was in charge of this boat, asking, do you have money? Yeah, I give you money. I'm going to give you money, you take me back. When you take me back, to the home of that real man who was the son. Do you know where he stays? Yeah, because he's a leader, I know where he stays. You're going to leave me here? Go pick that young man. Do all you can, I'm waiting for you to bring him to me. I'll give you as much money as you require. Already undressed in I know funny clothes as you know villagers. So I was in my funny clothes once again. Our bed, our kind of bed. Our kind of bed was also very funny as well in the village. The bed was so badly open that I couldn't come out quickly, so I had to come out of many bed sheets and cover this and there. So the man didn't come directly to the compound. He stayed somewhere, find a plantation. Since someone go tell Chiganda that the mother is waiting for him, let him do all that he can do, but let him not tell anyone about it. And I was like, but she has gone already. She's waiting for you somewhere in this area. But don't tell anyone as you go. So I went to the bedroom. I woke my shop,
opened
the back door, went through the coffee plantation, to the banana plantation of the neighbor, ran like 3 kilometers to where the mother was. And so that is how I left to the village. We sat in the boat. I told mommy I was so amazed at how much of a hero she was. We sat in the boat. We arrived in Yale at around 9.